If you're anything like me, a first aid kit is always a good idea in your home or your car. But for a business, it's a requirement. And with this range of first aid kits from Levtrade, there's a kit to suit all your needs. From a personal travel kit, to a domestic and car kit, to a small business or even a factory kit. These kits are occupational health and safety regulation and contain all the necessities for each sector. Some of the contents include burn dressings, splint kits, bandages, sterile swabs, gloves, CPR mouthpiece, wound cleaner, and scissors, just to name a few. The smaller kits are available in a zip-up nylon bag, while the factory kits are available in a carry box or wall-mounted metal box. There is also a refill available for the factory kits. So remember, these kits are government OHS regulation and are perfect for your business. This is just one of the first aid solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.